Welcome. I hope you are having a fabulous day. We are going to make a special abstract line design today. We're using lines. We might even use shapes, like in this sample here from the past. I want you to learn how to make a straight line with a ruler. So I would like to hold the ruler down and press a pencil on the side. I need to touch the ruler and draw on the paper going all the way down from one edge to another. When I hold the ruler down, I'm going to spread out my thumb and I'm going to put my four fingers together. So I'm spreading out my thumb from my four fingers and I'm going to press the ruler down in two spots. I also want to touch the ruler to two edges of the paper. I'm going to make diagonal lines, lines on an angle. I'm going to fill up this paper with lots of cool lines. I might even rotate my paper so I can go this way in the vertical or tall direction. I think I'll keep rotating my paper so I can make lines touching all sides of the paper. I'm using a white pencil to begin, but I do want to trade and try using different colors. Here's a black pencil. Black and white is always a good thing. I wonder what colors you could use today. Maybe I'll use color pencils too. So notice how I'm trying to fill the page and make an imaginary work of art, abstract art, with lines. So I'm working all around the paper. Ooh, look at that. I want to touch two sides of the paper for most of my lines, but look what I did. I just touched another line and the edge of the paper for that one. So you could do that too. Maybe I'll grab another color. I'm thinking of balance. I'm working all around the paper. And here I go with a blue. So I'm pressing on the paper and I'm also pressing against the edge of the ruler. And I have my fingers spread out. My thumb is spread out actually from my four fingers that are stuck together. So to get ready, you could practice going like that, just so you know that you could get the right position on when you hold down your ruler. If you hold it down in one spot, chances are it could move on you and that could get really frustrating. So I want to hold it down in two spots and I will be all set. It will be a guarantee if I really press down and press on the paper right against that edge of the ruler that I will be able to make some nice, perfect straight lines. Whoa. So after I make a bunch of straight lines, I'm going with blues right now. You can choose your color scheme or color group. It's totally up to you. I think I'll color in some of the shapes that I made, and I might even draw more shapes inside my new shapes. So you could go with a spring theme or a winter theme or just put all different random shapes in there. If I was thinking of a theme, I might draw flowers inside of my shapes. And maybe I will color in the entire shape here that's made with some of my new lines. So I could draw shapes and designs inside of my shapes. I could also color in these new shapes that I'm making. And I really want to fill it up and do an awesome job. I want to work all around the paper And I'm going to put a little bit, as you can see, of orange all around on each side of the paper. And that will show a beautiful balanced work of art. Ooh, should I add a sun in? I'm thinking of warm weather. Take me away. So maybe I'll add in some geometric shapes. Geometric shapes are shapes that have a name to them, like a rectangle or a triangle or a circle, even a heart or a diamond. Oh, a diamond, that's fancy. A crescent shape. I think I'll color these shapes in with different colors. Sunshiny colors. Why not? Hot colors. Okay, I hope you have a super day and really get into this and take some time working all around your paper. I want you to make a special abstract design, and starting on a colored paper is definitely a cool idea. These would look good on white paper too. So limiting colors is good, but I usually use tons of colors. Okay, here I go. I got to keep working on it, but I will let you get to work. Thank you and have a super day. I can't wait to see what you create today.